Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we'll talk about top 5 problems, grammatical errors that are mostly done by students in their speaking interview. So watch the video till the end and let's see what are these problems. Let's discuss about them. Okay, firstly let's talk about simple present tense, how the students are making mistakes. They do not use S or ES rule in their speaking properly. So while speaking some sentences in simple present tense, they speak unnecessarily S or ES in some verbs which are totally wrong. For an example, he play cricket. Government give facilities to the people. The students plays cricket. So they actually know where to use S or ES and where not to use S or ES. But in the rush, they make lots of mistakes. Secondly, they mix active and passive sentences together. For an example, the active sentence is he plays cricket. The passive sentence is cricket is played. So how they mix up unnecessarily active and passive? He is play cricket. That is also wrong. So that mistake happens lots of times. So you need to focus on active and passive. You need to learn all the rules and regulations properly. And you need to do lots of practice on that so you do not make any mistake on that. Second thing is the same thing is happening again. It's simple past. Again the same thing is happening in simple past. Mix up of active and passive unnecessarily. For an instance, active sentence is he played cricket and the passive sentence is cricket was played by him. But unnecessarily what happens? They join active and passive together and they make hodgepodge. That is, cricket was played by him. Cricket was play. What is that? Look at the syntaxes properly, see the formation properly, then try to implement. The third thing is present perfect. Actually, you need to use have or has in present perfect. For an example, government has provided facilities to the people and governments have provided facilities to the people. So if the subject is plural, you definitely need to use have, and if the subject is singular, you definitely need to use has, except only I and you. And although they know in rush, they make mistakes even in present perfect. Now let's talk about the fourth mistake, that is in modal auxiliary, that is should, would, could, may, might and all blah blah blah. So how they make mistakes in modal auxiliary? They definitely again mix active and passive sentences unnecessarily. So talking of active sentence, they must play cricket. They must do exercise. What is the passive of that sentence? Exercise must be done by them. And how they mix up unnecessarily? They must be do exercise. What is this? Again, there is a lack of understanding or there is a lack of concentration. That's the reason mistakes are being made in this sort of sentences. Hope you understood. Let's move on to the next one. Now, this is the biggest problem that is happening all the time. The candidates, I don't know why, are actually in so much rush to speak. That's the reason they are not able to focus on their sentence formation, and whatever comes in their mind, they just keep speaking those things. This is the solution of all these problems. All these 4 problems are happening because of this main problem. Because most of the candidates are in so much hurry. I don't know why. So stop being in hurry. Take a deep breath. Start speaking a bit slowly. Nobody is running anywhere. The listener will not run from you. Just be confident. Speak a bit slowly than your actual speed. Definitely you'll be able to concentrate on all these things. So that's what you need to do. This is the solution. Now start doing this thing and definitely I believe all these mistakes will be avoided. And for this, what you need to do is, you know all the rules and regulations about tenses. What you need to do is you just record your own interview for 10 to 15 minutes. Listen to that. Write down the mistakes that you make. Then again, determine that those mistakes will not happen again. Hope you understood what you need to do. If you keep doing that for 10 to 15 days, definitely you will get rid of your mistakes. You just do it. Definitely the solution will be amazing. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you like, hit the like button and subscribe for more. Share among your friends if they want to learn English properly. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Goodbye.